Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, PE and Health, Grade 5, Quarter 2, Lesson 1. Our topic for this week is about Topic 2, Management of Changes During Puberty. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Describe concepts, effects, and ways to manage changes during puberty. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to A. Identify physical, social, emotional, and mental changes during puberty. B. Analyze the impact of changes during puberty. And C. Develop coping strategies in managing puberty changes. Here are the contents. First, changes during puberty. Physical, growth spurt, primary and secondary sexual characteristics, menstruation and wet dreams, etc. Social, emotional, and mental or intellectual changes. Impact of changes during puberty. Second, management of changes during puberty, with emphasis on skin, body, and genital care, menstrual hygiene, management, and sleep hygiene. Topic number 2, management of changes during puberty. Puberty is a life-changing experience that offers chances for personal development as well as challenges. It brings many changes, and taking care of our bodies becomes even more important during this time. By following these tips and implementing strategies for managing them effectively, we can navigate this stage of development with confidence and resilience. Personal hygiene. Take regular showers or bath to keep your body clean and fresh, especially after sweating or physical activity. Use a mild soap or body wash to cleanse your skin, paying attention to areas like the underarms, groin, and feet. Maintain good personal hygiene by wearing clean clothes, applying deodorant, and brushing your teeth twice a day. Skin care. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser to remove excess oil and dirt, especially if you're prone to acne. Avoid picking or squeezing pimples, as these can lead to scarring and worsen acne. If you're struggling with acne, consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized treatment options. Genital care. Wash your genital area gently with water and mild soap, avoiding harsh scrubbing or strong fragrances. Girls should always wipe from front to back after using the bathroom to prevent infections. Boys should gently clean underneath during showering. If you experience any unusual symptoms, such as itching, discharge, or pain, talk to a trusted adult or healthcare provider. Menstrual hygiene management. Girls should be prepared for their first period by keeping menstrual supplies such as pads on hand. Change menstrual products regularly every 4 to 6 hours to maintain hygiene and prevent odor, and discomfort. Dispose of used menstrual products properly, either by wrapping them in toilet paper and throwing them in the trash or using designated sanitary bins. Practice good menstrual hygiene to avoid infections, such as washing your hands before and after changing pads. Sleep hygiene. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night to support your physical and mental well-being during puberty. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine such as reading a book or taking a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Limit screen time before bed, as the blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Coping strategies for managing puberty changes. Physical and emotional changes that come with puberty can be so rapid and intense that it can be overwhelming at times. Creating coping mechanisms will help you get through this period of transition with adaptability and self-assurance. We'll look at useful coping strategies for handling puberty adjustments in this section. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about the changes that occur during puberty by reading books, watching videos, or talking to trusted adults. Understanding what to expect can help alleviate anxiety and uncertainty about the changes happening to your body and mind. Express yourself. Find healthy outlets for expressing your thoughts and emotions, such as journaling, drawing, or talking to a trusted friend or family member. Bottling up feelings can lead to increased stress and anxiety, so it's essential to express yourself in a safe and supportive environment. Practice self care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by prioritizing self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's listening to music, playing a sport, or spending time with pets. Build a support system. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family you can turn to for encouragement and understanding. You can also join peer groups, clubs, or online communities to connect with others who are going through similar experiences and share advice and support. Set realistic expectations. Understand that puberty is a gradual process and changes may take time to occur. Be patient with yourself and others as you navigate this journey. Avoid comparing yourself to unrealistic standards portrayed in the media or by peers. Embrace your unique pace of development and celebrate your individuality. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with puberty changes or experiencing persistent feelings of anxiety or depression, don't hesitate to seek support from a counselor, therapist, or healthcare provider. Professional guidance can provide valuable coping strategies and support to help you navigate puberty with confidence and resilience. Activity number 3, navigating puberty, coping strategies practice. Directions, analyze each situation to determine the type of changes it represents and suggest a coping mechanism strategy to manage puberty changes effectively. Number 1, you notice that your body is starting to produce more oil, leading to occasional breakouts on your face. Aspect of change, physical. Coping mechanism strategy, practice personal hygiene. Number 2, you find yourself feeling more curious about the world around you and asking questions about things you didn't think about before. Aspect of change, mental. Coping mechanism strategy, stay informed. Number 3, you feel excited about joining a new club at school and meeting people who share your interests. Aspect of change, social. Coping mechanism strategy, build a support system. Number 4, you experience mood swings, feeling happy and energetic one moment and then irritable or upset the next. Aspect of change, emotional. Coping mechanism strategy, express yourself. Number 5, you start to notice changes in your body shape, such as your hips becoming wider or your shoulders broadening. Aspect of change, physical. Coping mechanism strategy, stay informed, practice self-care. Number 6, you feel nervous about giving a presentation in front of your classmates and worry about what they'll think of you. Aspect of change, emotional. Coping mechanism strategy, build a support system, set realistic expectation. Number 7, you begin to develop romantic feelings towards someone you've known for a while and find yourself daydreaming about them. Aspect of change, social. Coping mechanism strategy, express yourself. Number 8, you become more aware of your own thoughts and feelings, sometimes questioning why you feel a certain way or reacting differently to situations. Aspect of change, emotional. Coping mechanism strategy, express yourself. Number 9, you notice that you're sweating more during physical activities and sometimes you can smell body odor even after showering. Aspect of change, physical. Coping mechanism strategy, practice personal hygiene. Number 10, you feel a stronger desire for independence and privacy, wanting to spend more time alone in your room or with friends rather than with family. Aspect of change, social. Coping mechanism strategy, set realistic expectations. Learners' takeaways. What are some practical ways we can manage the changes of puberty to feel more comfortable and positive about ourselves? Possible answer. Some practical ways we can manage the changes of puberty to feel more comfortable and positive about ourselves are by taking a bath every day to stay clean and fresh. We should use deodorant if we sweat a lot and wash our face to help with pimples. Wearing clean clothes and underwear helps us feel good too. Eating healthy food and drinking plenty of water keeps our body strong. We should get enough sleep so we don't feel too tired or moody. It's also helpful to talk to someone we trust if we feel confused or shy about the changes. We should always think positive things about ourselves and not compare our changes to other people. Why is it important to talk to trusted adults and friends about the changes we're experiencing during puberty? Answer: it is important to talk to trusted adults and friends about the changes we're experiencing during puberty because adults like our parents, guardians, or teachers know more about these things and can give us good advice. They can help us understand what is normal so we don't worry too much. Talking to our friends is also good because we find out that they might feel the same way and we are not alone. This makes us feel better, more confident, and happier while growing up. Reflection on learning. Reflecting on what you've learned today. How do you think understanding and managing the changes of puberty will help you navigate this exciting but sometimes challenging stage of growing up? Answer: reflecting on what I've learned today, I think understanding and managing the changes of puberty will help me feel more ready and confident as I grow up. Knowing what to expect makes me less scared or embarrassed about what is happening to my body and feelings. It helps me take care of myself better, like keeping clean, eating healthy, and getting enough sleep. I also know it's okay to ask for help and talk to people I trust when I feel confused or shy. This will help me handle this stage of life in a positive way and make me feel proud of myself as I grow into a teenager. Formative assessment. Instructions: choose the correct answer for each question. Number 1. What are the two physical changes that commonly occur during puberty? A. Increased appetite and weight gain. B. Broadening of shoulders and widening of hips. C. Enhanced memory and cognitive abilities. D. Decreased energy levels and fatigue. Answer: B. Broadening of shoulders and widening of hips. Number 2. Which coping mechanism strategy can help manage emotional changes during puberty? A. Avoiding communication with friends. B. Engaging in regular physical activity. C. Bottling up feelings and emotions. Or D. Consuming excessive sugary snacks. Answer: B. Engaging in regular physical activity. Number 3. Why is it important to seek support from trusted adults and friends during puberty? A. Because they can provide helpful advice. B. Because it's better to deal with problems alone. C. Because they can offer guidance and understanding. Or D. Because they won't understand what you're going through. Answer: C. Because they can offer guidance and understanding. Number 4. What is one thing you can do to take care of your body during puberty? A. Stay up late and play video games. B. Eat only junk food and avoid vegetables. C. Practice good hygiene habits. Or D. Skip meals and snacks. Answer: C. Practice good hygiene habits. Number 5. Which of the following is a common emotional change during puberty? A. Increased self-confidence. B. Decreased interest in social activities. C. Stable mood with no fluctuations. Or D. reduced need for support from friends. Answer B. Decreased interest in social activities. Part 2. True or false? Write the word true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Write your answer in the space provided. Number 6. Puberty is a process that only affects the body, not the mind or emotions. Answer: false. Number 7. Seeking support from trusted adults and friends can help adolescents navigate the changes of puberty more effectively. Answer: true. Number 8. During puberty, it's normal to experience mood swings and fluctuating emotions. Answer: true. Number 9. Engaging in regular physical activity is a helpful coping mechanism for managing the challenges of puberty. Answer: true. Number 10. Understanding puberty changes can help the adolescents feel more confident and prepared as they grow up. Answer: true.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!